pals, welcome to Sam Bartley Designs. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Sam, I use they them pronouns, and I make content based off of fiber arts and books. I do a lot of different things. I do book reviews, I do crochet tutorials, I do knitting tips and tricks, I do crochet patterns, I do all different kinds of fun yarn things, and then I also love to talk about books, talk about my favorite tropes, talk about my favorite everything, talk about things I don't even like. I just like to chit chat. So we're gonna do a little bit different of a schedule here on the channel. So starting next week on April 18th, I'm gonna start posting craft videos every Friday, and then on Sundays, I'll be posting cozy book videos. So it could be bookish banter, it could be what I got in book mail, it could be literally anything bookish. I just wanted to start incorporating more content on the channel because you all tend to like it, and it's performing pretty well, and I tend to love making bookish content, so why not do both? We're still gonna keep my Saturday blog posts, so don't worry about those. Crochet patterns are still coming to sambartley.com every single weekend. Well, not every weekend, but blog posts are coming every weekend. Crochet patterns are coming once or twice a month. And yeah, we're gonna do some fun things. I'm really excited about it. I have the content planned out through July, so I am hyped. I'm ready to go. We're gonna do some fun things around here. So if you are interested in any of this and you want to stick around, make sure you hit the subscribe. If you want to see what I'm doing on other platforms as well, go check it out. It's Sam Bartley Designs pretty much everywhere. The only place it's not is Blue Sky, and it's just sambartley.com there. But yeah, I hope you stick around. I hope you have fun. I hope you find something that you want to read or you want to make. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.